Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix Wi-Fi signal to weak on PS5. If you're having issue with the Wi-Fi on your PS5, then you could follow the steps to fix your issue. So first of all, open up your device and log into your account. Once logged in, this is how it's gonna look like. So in the top right hand side corner, click the gear icon. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page. Underneath, you could find multiple options such as network, users and account, and family and parental control, all of that. But then you want to go ahead and click on network. Here, you'll be able to find two different options, that is connection status as well as settings. So you want to go to settings and then you want to click on connect to the internet. Then you want to go ahead and click on set up internet connections. Once you click on that, you'll be able to find the network that you're connected to. Now right click on your mouse and then you'll be able to see a pop-up menu which shows different options. So here you want to go to advanced settings. Once you go to advanced settings, you want to go to manual from the DNS settings, and under it you could find two different, that is primary as well as secondary DNS. So what you have to do is basically for the primary DNS, you want to go ahead and type in 8888, and for the secondary DNS, you want to type in 8844 and click the OK button. Restart your device and this should be able to fix your issue all at once. So that is how you could fix Wi-Fi signal to weak on PS5. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.